It's a 2017 Lexus NX. This is the crossover for any urban adventure, thanks to a turbocharged engine, aggressive exterior design, and an interior built around you. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, Scout GPS Link smart device navigation, Bluetooth, leather steering wheel, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com highlights its class best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.